Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make cabbage no asazuke. Asazuke is quick pickles. It's pickles, it takes some time, but it doesn't involve any fermentation or pickling bit, so it's much quicker compared to something like sauerkraut. You can have it within a day. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this cabbage no asazuke, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need: cabbage, carrot, kombu seaweed, ginger, salt and dried chili pepper. Other than the salt, it's all as much as you like. It's a lot of cutting and slicing today. Let's start with carrot. I'm using 1/3 of this. Peel the skin. And I want to make very thin strips. So let's make very thin slices first. Like paper thin. Align them, then into thin strips. It's like a needle thin. And ginger. I'm going to use it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. And again, into very thin strips. And cabbage. Remove the core. Like this. And let's just cut it into strips. This time, it doesn't have to be super thin. Let's cut it into half. And just slice. Same for the other half. All the cutting is done. Now, I'm going to measure everything in this freezer bag. So here is a scale, large bowl and freezer bag. all the vegetables. Carrot and ginger. All in, and it's 628 grams. Now I'm adding some salt, 3% of the weight of the vegetable, which is about 19 grams. So let's measure salt. Make it 0 and 19 grams. And put it in the freezer bag. Chili pepper and kombu seaweed as you cut it into strips. Seal it with some air and mix. When everything is well mixed, open the bag. Push out the air as much as you can do. And seal it tight. And let it sit in the fridge at least 3 hours, if possible overnight. Here is the asazuke I made earlier today. Some water came out from the vegetables and it's completely wilted. Let's serve in the bowl here. And kebetsu no asazuke is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。3% salt is just perfect. It's so light and refreshing. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Let's have a lot of asazuke here and pass the other side. How about ebi katsudon here, which will also cover the main, and eggplant miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.